Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Sony XM5 headphones. So to do a reset, it's quite simple. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press and hold the power button and the noise canceling and ambient sound button together for 10 seconds. You're going to hold them until you get this light flashing blue. So we're going to go ahead and press both buttons at the same time. It flashed, it's solid, turns off. Now you have successfully performed a factory or a hard reset on your Sony XM5 headphones.